HomeSmart Consumer Alert. Valley foreclosures have hit the highest level of the year. A new report from Arizona State University shows 46% of existing home sales last month were foreclosures. That's the highest percentage recorded in any month this year. The actual number of foreclosures in the Phoenix area was just over 4,100. 75 foreclosed homes are hitting the auction block in a matter of minutes. Auction.com is offering the homes at a live auction at the Hyatt Regency Phoenix at about 6:30. The auction comes at a troubling time for the real estate market. ABC 15's Angie Holdsworth reports why banks may be holding on a little tighter to properties they own. It's a story that's all new at 6.
This Mesa home that sold for more than $700,000 in 2006 now has a starting bid of $99,000.
It generates a lot of attention and activity, and they have good deals. One bedroom.
For realtor John DeRosier, who specializes in bank-owned sales, it's an opportunity to finally get the home off the market.
Buyers are definitely concerned. From what we've been seeing, they're seeing the news, they're reading the papers. I've had a number of buyers that have put offers in on some of the properties that we've had for sale that backed out.
It's like, you think you're on the homeward bound of your trip, and suddenly there's a few more curves are thrown in front of you.
ASU real estate professor Jay Butler explains with banks like Bank of America stopping foreclosure proceedings, other banks are becoming more reluctant to selling their bank-owned homes.
In many areas, the title companies won't issue title insurance on them. So it would be very difficult to sell them.
Butler says an auction is kind of the last resort for banks.
It's really a function of who does it go to. If it goes into the investor market and get more rentals or properties that are not being maintained.
For DeRosier, he has high hopes for this home and caution for the future, knowing there's a high price when buyers face yet another layer of uncertainty.
Well, and it trickles down, too, because, it's not just the realtors, it's the title companies, it's the lenders, it's the maintenance people.
Angie Holdsworth, ABC 15 News.
There is some good news for home buyers or those thinking about refinancing. Mortgage rates dropped this week to the lowest level in decades. The rate on 30-year fixed mortgages now down to 4.19%. That's down from 4.27% last week. It's the lowest level on record for Freddie Mac. The last time rates were this low was in the early 1950s. Some